guys, I'm Prem, and in this video I will show you that how you can design a website slider in Figma. Let's get started. So this is our Figma project. Let's create a frame for now, and let's choose this MacBook Pro 16-inch, and now we have to give this a fill, and now we will create a frame again, and it would be something like this. Now usually website sliders have a size of this, but it goes around this, and it also varies to a full width website slider, but I am not going to do that, but you can if you want to. So I'll leave it to something like this one. Okay, now let's get some icons that we will be using, the left and right arrow icons. So I have this icon now, and let's increase their sizes, and let's keep them into the center of the frame. Now let's give this a background, and it would be our slider. Let's select some wallpapers. It would be abstract wallpapers, and let's select some. Alright, so I'm choosing this slider. Sorry, I should not have done this. I should get this image from there to here, and maybe let's get this one, and maybe let's get this. So we have 3 images now. What I'm going to do is that I'll get this, now let's duplicate this one and put this frame into there, this picture actually. And let's duplicate this slider again and get this. And let's change this images. Let's rename these all these. So we have now 3. Let's select all of them and create component set, and now let's just connect them. This would be on click. Sorry, I think I need to remove that. Okay, now it will work. That should be on click, and this should be the settings of it. Okay, so let's just rename this as 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I think it's good now. So let's just get an instance out of this, and now let's play this. So now let's see if it is working or not. As you can see that this is working really great. But let's change the background to maybe this tag is good to see things clearly. You can even, if you want, you can even add text content on this. So like this is a frame, so if you want to add something like let me write something Stigman. This so if you want, you can do this, and you can even replace the text, and if you want to add CTS to this, you can do that too, but I'm not going to do all of that. I'm just showing that how you can do this. As you can see that we are not having any smooth animation because the position of these are not same, so that is why this is not working great. But if you want, you can do that. I'll just remove the text content from all of them, and yeah, I hope this short tutorial was good enough that you will be able to learn that how you can design this website slider in Figma. So I hope it was good, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.